Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step by step IUPAC naming for each compound. A. Structure CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH3, CH3. Count the longest chain, starting from the left CH3. We have 13 carbons in the main chain, tridecane. The methyl groups are at positions 2 and 11 when numbered to give lowest locants, numbering from the end nearest the first branch. C1 is equal to CH3, C2 is equal to CH, CH3, C12 is equal to CH, CH3, C13 is equal to CH3. Checking, from left end position to has methyl, from right end position to has methyl, symmetric, so 2, 11 dimethyl tridecane. B. Structure CH3, CH2, CH, or CH2, 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 CH, CH3, CH3. Longest chain, 13 carbons. Principal characteristic group is O, alcohol, so suffix ol. Number to give of lowest locant, O is on C3 from the left, C3, methyl branch is on C12 from the left end. Name 12 methyl tridecane 3 ol. Verify, from right end, of would be at C11 methyl at C2 from left, or at C3 methyl at C12. Lower locant set is 3, 12 versus 2, 11. Since the principal group, O gets priority for lowest locant, we choose numbering giving O is equal to C3. Hence 12 methyl tridecane 3 ol. C. Structure analysis. The structure shows a cross-shaped branching. The longest continuous chain must be identified. The four arms are top left chain, CH3, CH2, 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 4C, top right, CH2, CH3, to C, bottom via CH, CH2, CH3, to C, and CH3 on the central CH, redrawing central bond CH-CH with substituents. One CH has N-propyl, CH to CH to CH3, and ethyl, CH to CH3. From the written structure, the other CH has methyl, CH3, and ethyl from the bottom chain. Longest chain is equal to octane, 8C. Substituents, 3-methyl and 4-ethyl on octane. IUPAC, 4-ethyl, 3-methyloctane. D. Cyclopentadecane, 15-membered ring. Substituents, 1 CH3 at a ring carbon, call it C1, an adjacent carbon, C2, bears a CH3, and another ring carbon, C7, bears a CH3, the one shown at top right of ring. Numbering to give lowest locants, 1, 2, 7 trimethylcyclopentadecane. E. Cyclopentane ring. One ring carbon bears to CH3 groups, gem-dimethyl, an adjacent ring carbon bears one CH3, and another ring carbon, at position 5 relative to the gem-dimethyl, bears one CH3. Numbering, the carbon with two methyls is C1, 1, 1 dimethyl, adjacent carbon with one methyl is C2, 2 methyl, and the carbon at position 5, non-adjacent, with one methyl is C5, 5 methyl. IUPAC name 1, 1, 2, 5 tetramethylcyclopentane. Therefore, the correct answer is A. 2, 11 dimethyl tridecane, B. 12 methyl tridecane 3 ol, C. 4 ethyl 3 methyloctane, D. 1, 2, 7 trimethylcyclopentadecane, E. 1, 1, 2, 5 tetramethylcyclopentane. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches to 11 dimethyl tridecane, B matches 12 methyl tridecane 3 ol, C matches 4 ethyl 3 methyloctane, D matches 1, 2, 7 trimethylcyclopentadecane, E matches 1, 1, 2, 5 tetramethylcyclopentane.